After frozen pipe season ends, you need to check every pipe that faced freezing temperatures. Look closely for slow leaks or hidden water damage. Drain and shut off outdoor faucets the right way, and add fresh insulation to any weak spots before the cold comes back again. Here is something most people never think about. When water freezes inside a pipe, it does not always burst right away. Sometimes the ice just stretches the metal or plastic a tiny bit, creating what plumbers call a hairline crack. That crack can stay hidden for weeks or even months, slowly dripping behind your walls or under your floors without you noticing a thing. By the time you see a stain or smell mold, real damage has already happened. So right after the freezing season, walk through your home and gently press on drywall near where pipes run, check your water bill for a sudden jump, and turn on every faucet to see if the pressure feels weaker than normal. Catching a hairline crack early can save you thousands of dollars in repairs down the road. A lot of folks think if nothing bursts, then nothing is wrong, and that mindset causes bigger problems later, so always inspect even when everything looks fine on the surface. Another mistake is forgetting about pipes in places you rarely see, like the attic, crawl space, or garage, since those areas freeze first and thaw last, so shine a flashlight back there and take a real look. People also skip testing their water heater and outdoor spigots after a freeze, thinking those are separate from the plumbing system, but a quick check of both now prevents a nasty surprise this summer. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts reach out and message you back with their estimates.